Hey y'all! Hey guys! Look, they told me not to come here, but I didn't listen. Walking through these mean streets of Belize City. I'm not alone, but you know, hey. So we actually, so funny thing, not funny, but not funny. So we were at home last night at our house in the village after a nice day of, I don't know, what did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday, Daddy?
We just sat down. That's it.
We didn't go to the canoe race yesterday. Was that yesterday?
No.
I don't know. We ran around and did some stuff yesterday. But we were at the house. We had showered and everything, and we're in bed. And people got to burning bushes, which is what people like to do during dry season here. They burn the landscape to help kind of clear it out or whatever it is that they're doing. And there's literally like fires everywhere all throughout the countryside, and it makes for a very hard time breathing. And so at about 11 o'clock last night, mind you, when the sun goes down, we bathe and we're in bed, because that's just, you know, it's dark in the middle of the bush, there's no lights, you know, and you know, it's just time to go to bed. So anyway, we have been in bed probably for like 4 hours already, and here comes smoke through our windows. And we don't have glass windows where you can like seal them up tight and shut them to keep the smoke out. We have like louver windows. And then we also, watch where you're walking, because there's a big hole here. And then even if we were to close the windows, it's not like we have AC or anything, so it would have been really, really uncomfortable, because it was hot. You know, it's like 80 degrees at night and like 90% humidity or whatever it is. So we were smoked out of our house, is what I'm trying to tell you. We couldn't breathe, and we couldn't see where the fire was. It was probably just like something smoking, like residual, you know, smoldering tree stumps or whatever it is that people had set on fire during the day. And so we had to get up and leave, because I've been sick anyway with this respiratory thing from the Bahamas. I'm still like congested, and it doesn't help that the cars here also have that same thing that the Bahamas had. Like, they all smell heavily of exhaust, because I guess they take their catalytic converters off to help save gas, because gas is so expensive. And so between the cars and the smoke from the fires that people are setting in the countryside, and then have the house filled with smoke, and then the kids breathing the smoke, it just was time to go. So we went down to the next village. Watch where you're walking, because there's holes everywhere. And look at that. If you fall in that, you ain't getting out. Okay, you getting out with a broke leg. But anyway, we went to the next village to try to get a hotel at a room at a nice little hotel that we stay at sometime. But they were sold out because of the canoe race, and everybody's in, you know, is in town. And then we ended up having to come all the way to the city, y'all. So we drove like, the city is probably like 30 miles or so, or 20 miles from the village. And we found a nice little hotel. I wasn't expecting it to be nice, but it was. I mean, it's not like fancy or anything. It's a regular, it's more like a motel. But decent price, not too bad. It come out to like $85 US. And you got what you need. So we're here in the city today, which was not planned, and we're trying to get breakfast. So we're walking. I'm able to have on some shorts because there are no mosquitoes out in the city, or not many compared to up in the country, up in the village. I did get bit up. I'm so bit up. And we're looking for breakfast, and then this is actually where the last day of the canoe race ends in the city. So we're gonna see if we can catch the end of the race. So stay with us. What? I'm videoing. So they have the road blocked off. They're letting people in little by little.
A bunch of dry people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to go back because
Hold on.
Which bank you're going?
4 days.
You want to go to the ATM, the Dada? Or do you think it can be open? Huh?
It has been. Uno.
What are they selling? Tacos?
Cinco.
They're getting ready to sell some tacos. This is what all of the little Chinese shops look like, guys and gals. Pupusas. Oh, let's see if they have some. You see, listen, look where you're walking.
Yeah,
You're not even paying attention. Okay, let's see what they have. All right, so
What you guys want?
I want fried jack and beans.
Fried jack and beans.
Yeah.
How much?
I don't know, CD or regular service.
Yeah.
You want something else? What, babe?
What is Jane saying?
He wants some other than fried jack. I'm gonna make garnachas something right now.
Sorry?
You gonna make garnachas anything right now? You want garnachas or panadas or something, baby?
Sure.
What?
I guess nachos.
You have panadas? Can you make beans panadas?
He said he want garnachos.
You have gacha too? You have gacha?
He said he want garnachos.
Yeah, everything. Yeah, alright. See, this way, ready?
I see some juices over here on this sign here. Let me see. And they look like they might be open. I see something that says passion fruit, sorrel. I don't remember Belize making sorrel like that too much. It seems like that's been picking up lately, huh? I mean, they've always drank it, but it never was like a big thing. What do you think? They have carrot ginger too, they say. Are they open? Sí, de verdad. Good morning. Do you have all your juices available?
Yes, tamarind, orange, lime, sorrel,
Can I get one?
sorrel and pineapple.
Which one of them you don't use sugarina or sugardina, Alane?
Yeah.
Alane, even the carrots got sugar? Oh goodness. How much you charge for your juice? $3.50. What in the world? Okay, let me have a sorrel. And you have passion fruit, you said?
Yes, I have one.
Passion fruit, lime. So sorrel, passion fruit, lime. Okay, and I'll take a carrot. Down to the bottom. Sí, ese tan sí, aquí es.
Taste it.
Let me taste it. That's good. Carrot. Oh, that's good carrot. What's that one? Passion fruit.
Which one you got? What's wrong with this one?
I think that was passion fruit. I had a carrot.
I think this is it.
Okay. Garnachas day. I had got a couple more for me too.
Got
Garnachas.
some panadas too.
This is fried jack with beans. Oh, because it's only one fried jack with beans, and it does look like they put some red sauce or some kind of gravy in it. I don't know what. Okay, Jediah. This is Jediah's, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Jediah, here. Why don't you stand? Well, okay. So we're just found a little spot to, because there's not a lot of eating spaces in the city. So we just came in this little circle roundabout. Usually it's crowded over here. It's a holiday today. In Belize, so there's not a lot going on, so we are able to do this, just kind of sit here and eat our breakfast, and yeah, then we're gonna go over the bridge there and see if we can catch the rest of the canoe race. They might cook their beans on a fire hot. Oh, I'm dripping beans, just when I told Jediah. They're over there dancing in the street over there. They're already partying. Okay, I need to get control of my stuff. I'm making a mess. My napkin's blown away. Okay, so this is really good. Flavorful. I do want to taste the garnachas too. Jaden got garnachas, which is just like a fried corn tortilla with, we might have to get some more, with some cabbage, usually like a vinegar cabbage sauce and ketchup and beans on it. And they usually put like a Dutch cheese, but we don't eat cheese, so we just got it plain. So good. What makes it different is the fact that the corn tortillas in Belize are not like the ones in the home. They have a lot of corn flavor. And then the ketchup is sweet. Stop it now.
Something's been different. I don't.
We've been walking around more.
Walking around more. Something.
So y'all watch it right here? Or where you want to go?
I don't know. We're watching here yet, but we ain't here yet. So you want to go walk around the park?
Okay. See what the people look like? Well, sure. See what the people look like.
Girl, I don't know.
Oh, that's the finish line right there. Daddy?
Yeah.
I see the finish line thing over there. This is Belcan Bridge. There's the finish line. I guess they're gonna pull it out. They're gonna be coming from that side. So La Ruta Maya, Belize City, day 4? Day 4, last day. The crowds are out waiting for the teams to come through. Then we get to see who the winner is. Yeah. I mean, you don't have a lot of, you only have 40%. Minus thing, minus sidewalk. Thank you. I was going to go down here. What's the 250? Bigger? Oh, okay. Okay. La Chiquita? La Chiquita is...
Let's go to try whichever one, yeah. Let's try 2 bags. Yeah.
You don't want pepper? I want pepper. Actually. Thank you. You want one for
We are buying some plantain chips from this vendor that's selling at the Canoe Race at La Ruta Maya. and she said that she made these herself, and they just fry up like green plantain till they're crispy. They're like potato chips. And I'm asking her if she has pepper, like hot sauce to put on them, and she said she only has a pepper sauce that's mixed with ketchup already. And so we usually eat pepper sauce on them. My first time having pepper sauce mixed with ketchup, but it turned out good. You see, we're kind of laughing. Well, I'm laughing because they came out pretty good, I'll say.
We grew up in LA and we had a lot of like immigrant families from Mexico and El Salvador. We ate like this. This was like a normal thing for us. We ate a lot of spicy. We ate the spicy fruit and the salt on the fruit, and we ate all kind of hot sauce on our chips and stuff like that. We got it from their culture. That's how we. Alright, well, they're supposed to. Hey, Belize don't play at all. They put a little hole in there for your straw. They're like,
I like them thinner though.
I like them any kind of way.
They're not bad, but I like them thinner.
It's gonna be the finish line.
That'll be cool. Yeah, like 3 pounds.
Everybody's getting snow cones. What kind of flavors he got, I wonder. I don't want them, I just. Hey.
We used to eat those when we were kids.
We'll make a Belize street food thing. Just film them making them all day. Okay, I need one. Huh? And post it.
Hey, we used to love those kids.
We did too.
Might get one for old John.
Now with that red dye, yes or no? Guess it don't matter for you. Oh no, it's thick too. That looks like camber. Huh? Daddy's debating on whether or not he want to be a kid again and get a snow cone treat.
Hey, they used to be good though.
Dang, what is he putting on there? Oh. Get one, Daddy.
Let me get one for your video.
Let the kids taste. Not too much of the red one thing. Daddy's gonna get one. Oh, they got condensed milk too? Oh,
Yeah,
condensed milk and ice. No, thank you.
the flavors. It worked out.
Got lime to that. Uh-oh. What kind of flavors you have? Mixed fruit and pineapple. Mixed fruit and pineapple, okay.
Yeah, they were stupid.
Like, I'm not.
My love, why did you say so?
Okay. $2. You guys want to taste that? It's a spicy thing. Yeah.
Yeah, then you add water to it.
Oh my. Big drink to get a cold drink. I could get hot one for the drink. Daddy.
Huh?
Stand back.
It tastes like when you were a kid? Not quite. I have a problem with all that red dye. Dye must like it. He didn't let go.
Yeah, I refuse to drink that.
How it is? Fake.
I can't describe it.
It's indescribable.
It reminds me of
fake.
an ideal.
Ideal?
Yeah.
Daddy, how it tastes?
I It's not super bad. It don't taste super fake or nothing. I mean, you know it's fake, but it don't taste like
you would
that,
think?
had that weird fake little burning taste. It don't have that.
Okay. So this is the Belize River, huh? Belize River when it comes into the city. And these look like the boats that head out the race. They come ahead of the canoe teams, racing teams. So I guess we should expect some canoe teams to be coming up shortly after, right?
Sure, but it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be long.
Well, that's a family of people on this boat.
But I see 2 people. Why was supposed to make a cargo plane for your transport?
They're not part of the race.
Wait a second. How much is this?
Huh? What are they doing?
Just debate.
Jeez.
Those are the-
Oh, man.
Yeah, they're chilling over there watching the
I
race
can
on
loan
the
you for
boat.
that, man. I don't mind.
You can loan me $2.
I'm loan you to buy it.
He said we're coming in first. Don't see nobody yet, but maybe they're coming in first. That's why they're coming into town first. Yeah, somebody video right there. I hear people making noise, but I don't see nothing. Yeah, let's go, Gorman!
First place family category. First place family category.
Team Brothers!
Let's go, boy. Dig up, boy. Dig up. Come to your ass, boy. Let's go, boy. Dig your ass, boy. Let's your postcard. Let's your postcard. Outside. That's why they shall be coming for the first place. Yeah, that's your shirt. That's how I like that.
Weren't they first yesterday? I think they were first. Yeah, I think they were first.
Somebody could come out tell that tree after doing
They were two when they started though, I think.
Good going.
It's a little young guy. Where is Adia again? They have a one team for Adia again. So that too.
That's why sometimes they trip on the
sorry.
stain right there. Come on.
Me, right?
Could be.
Oh, and they have custard apple.
Yeah.
Why did I get them there?
Huh? You don't.
Oh. Oh, look at that papaya. Look at the sour sop. We do have a watermelon still in the at the thing. I think I'm gonna get a sour sop and a cherry moya. Hi, how much for the sour sop?
Huh?
How much for the sour sop?
$5 a pound.
$5 a pound. Any that are gonna be ripened like the next day or two?
Well, maybe the 2 days.
No, leave it sour? No. Maybe not.
2 days. 2 days it get ripe.
2 days, yeah. It might not be right by the time we want it, huh? How about the custard apple?
The apple?
The custard apple.
The apple, maybe
The dark ones are ripe, right?
yeah, that more soon. That ripe for tomorrow.
Can I feel the dark one? The dark one, the black one. I just want to see. Okay. How much are those?
The $5 a pound.
Okay, let me have 2 like that, the dark one. What else you want, babe? Pine? Nothing else? Okay. Huh?
2.5.
Okay. And then one of those pine, but I want a yellow one. Oh, and a cucumber too. Cucumber too. I want one. Let's see which one I want. I want one with look golden. Oh, that small one right there. Right there, that front. Down over that side. Right here. Nope. That one. Yeah.
$5.
Okay. I want to look good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And then I want a cucumber. You can hold that, Daddy. And a cucumber.
Cucumber?
Uh-huh. I just want one. Just one.
One?
Yeah.
It's a 1 pound.
Okay. Yep. That's it.
That's it?
Yep.
1450, 1950.
Which is this? That's 14.
Como le está agarrándose el poste.
19. You said how much?
No, no sé, pero
1950?
yo creo que está amarrando ahí.
You said 1950? 1950?
19. Yeah.
That's alright. Oh, they got some hot avocados, but those ones are overripe. And black. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
You have one at home, don't forget.
I know. I was just.
Can I connect?
Oh, papaya.
Huh?
Papaya?
Those little things.
No, bro.
Yep, back at our hotel room. And we see a last little group from our hotel balcony coming in. A last little team coming in. Maybe they're not a team. They do look like a team. All of the canoe teams have come in. And there's one, looks like one little last team coming in. Taking it easy. Enjoying the ride. And that is La Ruta Maya 2025, folks. I thought that was a Jeep. All right, so we came out for an evening stroll. And yes, good afternoon. From Belize City, good afternoon. I have some backup dancers apparently. So we are, actually I want to find some Johnny cake, but we are, okay, there's a car, baby, move to the side. But I don't know that we're gonna find any, and it's a holiday and people are not doing what they usually do. So we decided we're just gonna take a walk. We're gonna head down here to the sea side before it gets too dark. And there's a dog over there. What is it? The day to poop on my video. But anyway, try not to show y'all the creatures and what they are out here doing at night. Okay, in the evening. So anyway, can y'all see the sea up ahead? Well, why are you bothering the dog? That's a good way to challenge a dog, by staring at it. The dog is not worried about you. Jaden's afraid of dogs, y'all. Okay. Please, that's enough. Let's see if we can get to the sea and back to the main road before it gets too dark. And then we did see a little Chinese food shop, so maybe we'll just get some Chinese food. And that's about it. All right, so we are getting closer. It's a nice evening coming up to this beautiful Caribbean Sea. The breeze is blowing. It's probably about 80 or so degrees, maybe a little over 80, and it is refreshing. Oh, this is a pretty tall house here, huh? It looks like a newer house. This one too. Oh, there's a playground over here. I don't think I've been here since it was restored. So people have brought their little ones to play at the park. So let's be careful as we cross. There's the Jeep. We found Daddy. That is the Jeep down there. Daddy is out here trying to fish somewhere, and okay, well, we're gonna go down here. He's somewhere around here trying to fish. So this is the sea, y'all. Look at, see some yachts over there in the distance. It is so close to land. Look how close it is. Okay, so I see Daddy's Jeep. He said he's fishing. Oh, there he is there. Okay, let's see.
No, I guess not.
Oh, his mom is with him.
It's not destination.
I see.
Huh?
I think that's Bernie Lady.
Where?
I see her car. Or Kenny. It's Kenny or Granny Lady. Oh, it's Kenny. What the party and I not get invited? Hey. Oh, that camera they hop into? You did? Hi. Hey, boy. What?
I said, I don't think our car is turned on right now, but we've been fishing for a little bit.
Oh, okay. You may don't get it right here, bro? You catch anything at all? Can you may all there for so long?
So much fish.
That I?
You go fish that catch anything. One thing.
They got a lot of fish out here then.
Yes, they usually got a lot of fish out there.
Oh.
So they use this to then rate this up. This swim pan is shore right by the
Okay, okay. Well, hey, babe, maybe we need to take some fishing lessons, sir. Yeah? Because I see people come with fish and you've been trying this for a few days now. And they just keep eating up your supply.
Oh, brother.
I had a crab just now. You see the crab? There's a crab out here just now.
Oh, I didn't see it.
It just went off just now.
Crab. I know, I saw Johnny Kidd carrying. Which pack of mine saw Johnny Kidd? Like somebody did sell.
Catch Sonny. Sonny, he got that cake, but that's like
That bakery must be close to you.
You guys want to go up tonight? Let's find a restaurant, Midtown or something like that.
up to you guys.
Okay, that one, Benny's that look like, oh, we're going to one of those. Okay, all right. All right. But we on the, you know, how about if go beard again and this. No, you need to zip up your pants though.
Fresh,
You need to show the camera, you show the viewers the wrong thing. We don't want the wrong impression to be given.
fresh, bro. This water is